What's going on, guys? Today, you know how let me start over. In our last video we just did, our most recent one, I said that we're going to be doing some stuff to the Mustang. And is that backlit? And today is the day we are going to be start doing stuff to the Mustang. And we're actually, I'll tell you what we're doing. We're going to get it paint corrected and ceramic coated, and then I am also getting the windows tinted. So that I don't know if I'm gonna make it all one video or kind of do sections, but yeah, here we go. Man, I've never showed you guys up close to the paint, but it doesn't look great in camera. And like obviously it's not sunny out right now. In the sunshine you can definitely see like all the scratches. It's got a lot of rock chips too, but I don't know. It definitely needs a lot of work. There's tons of scratches in it. You just can't see it right now. It looks really good in like low light. Like it looks like it's got zero issues. But we're gonna get all the paint sorted. Ooh, I love this. I did this a long time ago when I bought it. It's carbon fiber. Did that. But anyway, so I am gonna make a video out of it. I hope you guys enjoy. Who is doing it? I'll tag him. He's done a couple of my buddy's trucks and he's done a really good job. So I'm gonna hand him over the Mustang and see what he can do. So let's check it out. What's up, guys? This is it. This is the Mustang after it's got its first coat of 7 years ceramic coat, and after it's been all paint corrected and whatnot. There's a couple smudges on it right now because, but oh my god, look, all the spider webs are gone out of the hood, which is just absolutely insane. Brett absolutely killed it. Definitely have to check out his Instagram and contact him if you need any of your ceramic coat needs or just want your paint looking fresh. And like I was saying, it's got some smudges on it because I just got back from getting it tinted. Look at that, guys. I got all the way around, all tinted. There's the sides here. Here's the back end. And it's crazy because I've had this car for a little over 4 years now, and I'm just now kind of getting like the paint corrected on it and got that ceramic coat, which is kind of popping. It's actually getting one more coat of the ceramic, which is just gonna pop a little bit more. But yeah, I just got done with a couple hour drive and it still is looking fresh. Look at that angle right there. Oh my god, I'm just so happy with how it turned out. It's absolutely awesome. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and check out our Instagram, Brett's Instagram. I'll put it all the links down in the description. And thanks, guys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers.